The functionality of our automatic build platform is nearly complete, so check out the demo next. Automatic build platform operations are now integrated in one server. It can be controlled directly in Orca Slicer. First, we start by connecting the 3D printer. Then enter the device screen. Printers and the automatic build platform can be controlled from this area. Let's go to the Jobs screen. Right-click on the uploaded file and select Add to Queue. The file will be added to the job queue. After clicking Resume, the printer will start printing in the queue order and replace the printing plate automatically. Now, let's go through the process of replacing the print board.